Hi, welcome to part 1 of this new house build in Sakon Nakhon, Thailand. This is the land, a former rice paddy of just over 1 rai and 2 nyan, which is roughly 2,000 square metres. We begin by levelling the ground with 400 standard dump trucks of soil, approximately 3,000 to 4,000 tonnes, I reckon. This is done to level off what was a 3-level paddy field, and this was done in February 2026. The area we're building on for the first house was already level with the road, so the soil is well compacted already. Remaining soil will have over a year to bed down before we build any more. Fast forward to July, after rains we have a greener looking plot. The guys measure out the land and dig foundation holes. Jack measures out the footprint and it's marked out, and the foundation holes are dug to support the uprights or pillars. Looks a bit like an archaeological dig, but no dinosaurs or bodies were found. Others in the team make rebar or reinforcement bar feet and pillars to form the foundations and the main supports. Concrete bases are poured into the holes to support the rebar feet and keep them off the soil. Now we're ready for the pillar raising ceremony. This is a formal ceremony for the raising of the first and second pillars. Gifts and money go into the holes.
เขามีคนสนใจแล้วค่ะคนสนใจแล้วค่ะใช่ค่ะเราได้สั่งจองแล้วค่ะสนใจลุงตั้มนายสันสนใจ
เนื้อถึงสวดไหมกระเจ้ามัดก่อน
สนใจเลยไฟฟ้าแล้วก็คือ
คอยตรงนี้ของตัวมาเล่นดีคอยตัวว่ายังมีเงี้ยคำงัดมาทำนี่เลย
โยนกิจการให้แจ็คทำคนเดียวงามขนาดบอกโอ้ยบ้านสวยเลยนี่บ้านสวยจังเลยลูกอันนี้มันจะเป็นบ้านตัวอย่างนะคะคือได้เราเปิดให้คนชมนะบ้านหลังนี้ขอบคุณนะคะอย่างจะได้ให้คัดมันน่าดูทุกอย่าง
Later that same morning. So they put a concrete platform in the bottom of this hole, and then they've laid the rebar foot on top of that. I poured a bit more in, and then concreted the upright. Same here. Next, the guys make rebar frames for the foundation concrete. These are encased with precast moulds.
Always a dog. Always a cow.
And here's the hole for the septic. Finally, to level off the infill, thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.